The following question is related to moles, and the question states that volume of ethane C2H6 at r.t.p has a mass of 20 grams. So you're given the mass and at r.t.p of C2H6, which is ethane, and you ask what is the mass of an equal volume of propene C3H6. So we need to find the mass of an equal volume of propene C3H6. The first thing that you need to do is you need to find what are the moles of C2H6. So if you want to find moles, which is N C2H6, moles of C2H6, the formula for moles is mass divided by the molar mass. So it's mass divided by AR or MR, which in this case is going to be MR because we're talking about a molecule. So you have 20 grams, that's the mass, divided by the MR of C2H6. Carbon, remember, is 12. And there are 2 carbons in ethane, so that's 12 into 2, and hydrogen is 1, but there are 6 hydrogens, so that's 1 into 6, so this would be equal to 12 into 2 is 24, plus 6 is going to be 30, so it's going to be 20 divided by 30, and the moles are going to come out to be equal to, it's going to be 2 by 3 moles. So let's keep the moles in fraction right now. So the moles of ethane gas, and we need to find the mass of an equal volume of propene. Remember this, that for gases, mole ratio equals volume ratio. So if the volumes are the same, then the moles are also going to be the same, because each 1 mole gas occupies 24 dm cube. So it doesn't depend on what gas it is. If the moles are the same, the volume is also the same. So the mole ratio and the volume ratio is exactly the same. So if ethane and propene have equal volumes, they're also going to have equal number of moles, which indicates that the moles of propene C3H6, they would also be, since the volumes are equal, the moles are also going to be the same. So propene is going to have, the moles of propene are going to be 2 by 3 moles. Now the next thing is, we're basically interested in the mass of propene. So if you have the moles of propene, you can use the same formula. Moles is equal to mass divided by the MR. The moles of propene are known. That's 2 by 3. Into, I'll multiply the moles by the MR. The MR of propene, it's C3, so that's 12 into 3. That would be 36, plus you have 6 hydrogens, so that's 6 in the periodic table. So the molar mass, 12 into 3 plus 6, is going to be 42. So the mass of propene is going to be and the answer on my calculator is coming out to be 28 grams. So option C is going to be the correct option for this question.